Alright, so I decided to hang out at Dirty Daniels again today, and now look at me. We're going to play something bigger than we played with for a while. Huh, that's what she said. Oh, yeah. That's what happens when you watch too much Scooter Bike Scotty. This is going to be sweet. Pretty sweet machine. It's got super traps on it down here. Fucking... It's pretty cool. We're going to pull it out, clean it up. The back tire's flat right now. We're working on that. I guess we're going to replace this rim and tire, he says up here. The back tire definitely needs replaced. Front one doesn't seem so bad, though. But, yeah, we're going to clean it up, turn it around, fucking get it running. I think he said he needs clutch cable, some other stuff. We're going to go over a list with him. Alright, so we got, it's going to need a back tire for sure. That crankcase vent tube to the trans there. I think it was just a vent tube. Not a big deal. They said something about the front wheel. And then the clutch cable. We got to measure the clutch cable. Battery, oil change. Fuel, carburetor.
And a spit shine.
Yeah, and Daniel's going to polish its knob. That should do it. I'll get back to you guys. Gotta have an air cleaner, guys, because that's rough. Alright, listen up, Mad Mike. Clutch cable, air cleaner, pitcock, tires, oil change. 93 Harley FLHS. Alright. Remember that shit. I was trying to get the choke shut all the way off. This is a seat bracket. It was all rusted up, so I sanded it down with a wire brush, and I'm just throwing a coat of paint on it for fun.